Hello, super students of Bharat. Welcome back to Kids Learning Bharat, where learning is always an adventure. Get ready for the ultimate GK challenge, level KG2. We have 30 super fast questions coming your way. You get 10 seconds to answer each one. Are you ready to show how smart you are? Grab a notebook and let's start the quiz. Round 1, General Knowledge Boost. Question 1. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. Question 2. What is the color of a sunflower? Yellow. Question 3. Which day comes after Monday? Tuesday. Question 4. Which shape has 3 sides? Answer. Triangle. Question 5. How many fingers do you have on one hand? 5. Question 6. Which fruit is red and keeps the doctor away? Apple. Question 7. What do we use to write on a blackboard? Chalk. Question 8. What is 2 plus 2? 4. Fantastic start. Give yourself a clap. Round 2. Incredible India. Question 9. What is the capital city of India? Answer. New Delhi. Question 10. Which big cat is the national animal of India? The Bengal tiger. Question 11. What is the national bird of India? Answer. The peacock. Question 12. What is the national flower of India? Answer. The lotus. Question 13. Which national festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali. Question 14. What colors are present on the Indian national flag? Think carefully. Saffron, white, and green. Question 15. What is the name of the wheel in the center of our flag? Ashok Chakra. Question 16. Which is the most widely spoken language in India? Hindi. Question 17. Which famous monument is known as one of the 7 wonders of the world and is located in Agra? The Taj Mahal. You are doing an amazing job. Halfway through. My body, my health. Question 18. How many eyes do you have? Answer. 2. Question 19. Which sense organ helps you smell a tasty cookie? Answer. The nose. Question 20. Which part of your body helps you run? Answer. Legs or feet. Question 21. What do you do with your teeth? Answer. Chew food. Question 22. Which sense organ helps you hear music? The ears. Question 23. What do we breathe in? Is it water or air? Air. Question 24. How many days are there in 1 week? 7. Question 25. Do we see the sun during the day or the night? The day. Only 5 more questions to go. Stay focused. Round 4. Animals and nature. Question 26. Which animal gives us milk? Answer. Cow. Question 27. What is the sound that a dog makes? Answer. Bark or woof. Question 28. Where does a fish live? Water. Question 29. Which insect loves honey and can sting? Answer. Bee. Question 30. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Time's up, superstars. That was 30 lightning-fast questions. How many did you get right? Count up your scores. If you scored 25 or more, you are a GK champion. If you scored between 15 and 24, you are doing wonderfully. Keep practicing. And if you scored below 15, don't worry. That just means you have lots of fun, new things to learn next time. Thank you for playing the Kids Learning Bharat GK quiz. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing quizzes, and let us know your score in the comments below. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.